Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make 5 spice beef jerky, my favorite snack. So with the ingredients, we will have beef. The parts I got right here are called beef brown rind and it's about 2 pounds. As you can see, it's pretty lean. You don't want too much fat in your beef jerky because it's gonna make it go bad easily. And over here I have turmeric powder, 5 spice powder, some soy sauce, black pepper, paprika, and some honey too. And that's all you need, so let's get started. Now I'm going to get rid of some of the fat and cut the beef into slices. As you can see the lines on the meat right here, so try to cut along the lines. It'll be easier for you to shred later if you want to use it for any other dishes. Next, I'm going to pound the meat to soften it a little bit and make it easier to absorb our seasonings. And now I'm going to mix up our seasonings, and depend on how strong the flavor you want it to be. Here you can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder, 1 to 2 tablespoons of 5 spice powder, half a tablespoon of paprika, half a tablespoon of black pepper, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and lastly 5 tablespoons of honey. Mix them all up. And now I'm going to pour it into our beef, mix them all together and leave it for about 5 hours or better overnight in the fridge. So to try our meat, preheat your oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 135 degrees Celsius, and have a rack on a tray like this. What we want to do here is to have the juice dripping out the pan and the meat wouldn't get burned with the sauce. So into the oven for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take it out of the oven. Flip the meat over and into the oven for another 15 minutes. So after that, take it out of the oven and let it cool down. So what I want to do here is to let it dry out completely for about 3 hours before I store them in a bag. As you can see here, the inside is pretty dried out, so that's good. To store it, it would be great if you have a moisture absorber, but if not, I'm just gonna use some paper towels, which is fine. And I heard you can use some white rice to absorb the moisture as well. I think that'll work. So I'm just gonna put the paper towel in the bag like this. So now I'm gonna show you how I enjoy my beef jerky. So first step, I'm going to cut the beef jerky I have in here into small pieces. Like little sticks. So this actually goes really nice with beer. So a lot of people will enjoy this with beer while they have conversation with friends or watching movies. Yeah, I'm gonna cut one more. So next I'm going to squeeze on some lime on top. And then next I'm gonna use the hot sauce right here. Shake it a little bit. Gonna put these away. So I'm gonna mix it up. It's actually really good. A little bit sour, a little bit spicy, and very flavorful. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.